Okay, so good day, inside the lane. Ngayon, we have a very special guest and excited kami to ipakilala sa inyo si Coach Lian. So, si Coach Mike ang mag-introduce kay Coach Lian. Something about Coach Lian, about her career, saan siya nag-work now. And Coach Micah, can you introduce our guest today for our podcast?
Ayan. So yung guest natin today, long time na friend and teammate from South Luzon up until nag-Manila kami. So ayan, very respectable coach, teacher. She's now based in Singapore. And then sobrang lalim nung experience nito, and dati siyang former coach ng national team here in the Philippines. So yeah, none other than si Coach Lian Marquez. Yeah, welcome, Coach.
Hello, thank you. Thank you for having me.
Okay, Coach Ronald.
Okay, Coach Lian, tell something about yourself muna kahit yung brief lang.
About me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm from Quezon Province, and I was a former national team swimmer in Philippines, and also former assistant coach in the national team. Right now, I'm here based in Singapore, but I changed my career as a PE teacher. So that's that's brief background of me right now.
Yeah. Okay, so that's nice to know, Coach Lian. Coach Micah, excited na tayo na makausap si Coach Lian today. Coach Micah, can you tell Coach Lian na kamustahan muna tayo ng konti kahit mga 2 minutes bago tayo mag-proceed doon sa ating tinatawag na tanungan dito sa ating podcast. Coach Lian, kamusta sa Singapore today?
Well, it's rainy day today. And actually, 2 weeks ago, kakatapos lang ng World Aquatic Championships dito. So, yung Singapore is nag-host ng big event for aquatics, which is like swimming, water polo, open water, diving, what else? Synchronized swimming. So it's really nice to see yung mga Olympians, how they swim, how they play. And at the same time, yung World Aquatics Masters, well, nag-join din ako. As you know, love natin ang swimming. So until now, nag-swimming pa rin ako. So luckily, I got 6th place in the world in my age group for 50 and 100 backstroke. So I tried my best. But like 2 years ago, it was held at Fukuoka. I got 3rd place there. Hindi ko expect na manalo ako din, pero yeah, it's a great experience, and looking forward also for the upcoming para World Aquatics for our disabled athletes. I think it will be held on September, so this month. So yeah, it's a big event again.
Okay, nice to know that. And actually, talking about competition, meron mas dito ng mga questions na medyo based dun sa mga usually na napag-usapan yun ni Coach Mike nung nandiyan siya sa Singapore. So, yeah, ikaw, Coach Lian, nagma-masters ka pa until now. So, hanggang ngayon lumalaban ka. So, ang unang question ko, Coach Lian, how do you view the current selection process of Philippine Aquatics Incorporated? So parang ito sa Pilipinas lang ito.
Mhm.
And this also includes not just swimming,
Mhm.
but open water swimming, water polo, and artistic swimming and diving. Okay, so
Yes.
how do you view the current selection process of Philippine aquatics? Based on
So,
you've been a national player and
mhm.
and then also to coach the national team. What do you think?
So right now, I saw like parang 2 weeks ago nagkaroon ng qualifying for SEA Games, which is I think based sa invitation kasi nakita ko rin naman yung invitation niya. It's like that is the affiliated competition for selection for SEA Games, which is I think naka-format siya like tulad sa US and Canada and I think Australia. Kasi based sa nabasa ko and yung result is like once you get the qualifying time and you're first and second, you will be able to represent the Philippines. And that's a good thing kasi even your base abroad, I think you have or you must be in the competition, which is I think it's a great opportunity also for those swimmers based abroad to show how they swim. Not just yung time kasi is easy to like just to submit. Kasi before when I was coaching sa Philippines, like parang ina-accommodate everyone outside Philippines, but we don't see them swim, right? Um, and it's so important that those swimmers who are based abroad, mas maganda nung nakikita na din natin silang nagko-compete. Kasi sabi ko nga kay Coach Micah nung nandito sila, it's like, it's really nice to watch. Kasi even like as a coach or as a swimmer, you will learn a lot from just watching the competition itself, how they swim, how they do their warm up, and all. So yeah, so mabalik ako dun sa questions. Like I 100% support the selection na tulad na everyone should come in the one competition as a selection for SEA Games or a national team. And I think also sa open water is the same thing, which is good. Although sa water polo, I think medyo mahirap pag hindi ka, parang hirap ng selection sa water polo. I think it's just a tryout, I think. I never, ewan ko, how do they do select? I'm not really sure with the water polo kasi team sport siya. So if you're just an individual na gusto mong sumali, and you're based in outside Philippines, I think it's very hard for them to be part of the team. I think the only option for that swimmer or for that athlete is to be in the Philippines, I guess. So yeah, I 100% supported the current selection for the SEA Games. And sorry, I think napag-usapan natin yung yung Coach Micah, yung for those athletes that are based abroad, diba? Because before yung experience ko nung nagko-coach ako is biglang may ibang names na naririnig tayo na this person is strong, and then ito yung time, and then we never heard about that swimmer or whatever, and then syempre yung mga swimmers natin sa Philippines is like they're very excited kasi alam mo yan, yung parang top 2 sila, and then they have a chance to be part of the national team. But yeah, because of like yung yung biglang lumalabas yung mga names na hindi natin nakikilala. Minsan, of course, nakaka-discourage din yung sa mga athlete natin sa Pinas. Pero I think really right now is like, it's really nice that everyone is joining them in one competition. So, yeah.
All right. So, thank you. Very well said, Coach Lian. Actually, sobrang lalim ng sinabi ni Coach Lian when it comes to selection. Napaka-ideal. Tama, Coach Micah, no? Coach Micah, baka mayroon kang additional din. I know you and Coach Lian were been together for so many years from Southern Tagalog pa up to the Manila. Talagang
Yeah. Yes, Coach.
up down, pagkakausap kayo. So, ikaw, Coach, baka meron kang additional for
And
that.
to Coach, dun sa selection, it's really a good move. Kasi may opportunity lahat to try even dun sa open water swimming. Yan. Same din ako na knowledge kay Coach Lian. Water polo, wala akong idea on how they assess kasi team sport yun. Naglalaro ako ng just for fun but not technically. And I don't know how they select. Pero maganda, may tryouts, may selection process. Ayan. Artistic and diving, hindi siya masyado nalalaro sa atin or naituturo. So, commonly kung mapansin natin, mostly feel foreign yung athletes natin. So, ayun. I think that's something to work on ng NSA. So,
Yeah.
ayun, yun yung sa akin. Very good. It's really a good move. So, lahat may opportunity.
Mhm.
Yeah.